giants were greatly surprised and very much impressed. They begged him to come and live with them and promised him great wealth and happiness. Lucky decided that he would stay with them for a few weeks. So he followed the giants to their woodland home. One day, a huge rhino. They were now quite sure he must be the bravest man in the world. About a month after this strange adventure with the rhinoceros, a loud shouting was heard near the woodland. A tribe of savages were on the warp path and were seeking to kill the giants and their friends. The giants came to Lucky and asked him to lead them against the enemy. But he had made the same excuse as before, that he must first sharpen his sword. He was much too timid to lead them, yet he knew that he could not refuse to help them. After a few minutes, Lucky chose the quietest-looking horse he could find and followed on the trail of the giants. All went well until the horse heard the sound of fighting.